Well, we had a little excitement today at the Grams and Poppy mansion.
Did I hit it?
Huh?
Is it going in the bucket?
Yeah.
This is our son Jeremy. He's a plumber, thank God. We got a leak in our ceiling, and he's come over to help us. He had to cut a hole, and he's been very methodical about it. He said that if it was any other client, he'd just start banging holes in the ceiling. But he's been very kind. You hear that sound, the poom poom sound?
Don't hold it up. Don't hold it up. Don't hold it up.
That's the
Huh?
Don't hold it up.
Why?
That's the sound
Because
of the
I
solder.
moved quickly and I need to. if it's.
That's the sound of the solder hitting water in that bucket as he's heating it around the pipe. Let's see if I can get a little closer so you can see what he's really doing up there. At any rate, that's what's happening in our house tonight. He's good at this, people. Send your children to plumbing school and electrical school. They do nice things like come over and fix stuff for you. Not the Grams and Poppy shirt. Uh-oh, Poppy got solder on his Grams and Poppy shirt.
Oh, that's nothing compared to getting this on you.
We love you, Jer. Look at all this stuff all over the place.
Watch it. Just go away.
Look at all this stuff all over the place.
It spits.
Let's put more flux on the pipe. The aroma is fabulous. At any rate, that's what we're doing tonight. I'm going to go start fixing some dinner there for the fellas. Jared's been working all day, and he was kind enough to come tonight. I gotta go get paper towels. You heard the man. Bye.